Well, hello everybody, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. If you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and the developer of pattern search software. You can always find me on a trading view, either within this top traders, here I am, Alexander Nikitin, or just go type that people, Alexander Nikitin, and you will find my name as well. Go and shoot me a message if you have some questions, ask them. I will try to answer. Okay, now let's go back to the charts. As I told you, I am a programmer, that's why I try to mathematically calculate some market environments, and one of those attempts is to identify the market turns, the market swings, and I created this special indicator with these dots. Actually, these dots are showing the highest high within some period of time, for example the last 10 candles, and the red dot shows the lowest low within the last 10 candles. You can set the period to whatever, maybe 12 candles, maybe 100 candles or whatever, and it will show the highest high within the 100 candles or 12 candles and lowest lows. How it works: so you simply need to look at the turns of the market. If we have different colors, then we have a swing turn. If we have similar colors, then we have a swing continuation. So we have continuation, we have turn like this, continuation, turn like this. You see, very simple indicator and very simple in use. This to this to this to this. Okay, and right now we have this upside swing that already started. Well, what I'm looking at today is this head and shoulders formation. It is a bearish one and it looks this way. This is the right shoulder, head, left shoulder, and this is the neckline. Yes, right now we are kind of consolidating. Typically when those consolidations are broken, we have that continuation to the downside. And the targets for these head and shoulders patterns, they are measurements of this height of the head and projected them here, starting from this breaking line, neckline. Okay, hope you understood how it is traded. But there are some differences in identification of the break line. First of all, the neckline can be drawn as a trend line connecting the lows of the so-called armpits, left armpit, right armpit. So you can see this, and right now the head and shoulders is not yet broken if you trade the patterns this way. But I am trading them a bit differently. I place a horizontal line to the lowest armpit, and it is the right armpit, and right now it was broken, and we had the price moving back, retracing back, and then we had hit our targets, and now price is retracing back, and hopefully it triggers the pattern that I'm looking at, and it will most likely continue to the downside, as well as the head and shoulder shows the direction. Okay guys, as I told you, we have a potential bearish setup that is setting up. I will give you a few seconds to try to identify it with your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the time expired, so if you couldn't find that within the 5 seconds, this means that you should not trade them. Go and do the back testing, go and do the practice until you train your eyes to identify setups within the 5 seconds. Okay, I will use my software to do that, and the only thing I need to do, I need to switch on the algorithm that I'm looking at. Right now it is manual. I typically use manual because it is not a problem for me to find any setups within 5 seconds with my eyes, but for you to demonstrate how it works, I will use the small swing identification algorithm like this, and you see the cypher pattern is drawn. A magic we didn't complete the bat pattern and it went to the downside without triggering the entry, but the cipher pattern is absolutely valid. It is just right, just above to complete if price goes here. We all know that the targets are these. You see the 3, 2 and 6, 1, 8, but in this case we have our potential head and shoulders that already broken to the downside, and as I told you, it is the target is a projection from the broken place to the from the broken line, the height of the head to the broken line. So by the way, it doesn't matter if you draw it horizontally, vertically, or you slightly move it. You see it is still showing the same line. So the projection is 38.62.8. I won't go to take these large targets. I will stay a bit more conservative. What I am looking at here is the retest of these lows. So what we have for now is the trading opportunity with the potential risk of 19 pips and the potential reward of 40 pips, 39.7, 40 pips. Okay, I hope you understood the idea. And it is conservative. It is not even aggressive. The target is conservative. The aggressive target would be like this, 38. So if you wish, you can aim at the larger target objective. Well, that's it. If you are interested in my software, you are welcome to visit my website www.ps-software.net. Here it is, and you will have the video explanation and video demonstration. And if you want to learn my patterns, you can do that for free. The information is for free. Every pattern is explained in details. Just click on the picture that you are interested in and you will have the detailed explanation. And moreover, you have the free videos, real-time videos, real-time trading videos, educational videos, some webinar recordings, and so on and so forth. Okay, hope you like this video. If this is the case, then hit that like button. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to